Welcome back to my garage, the moment we've all been waiting for, at least I. The SPX is assembled after porting and we're ready to start it up for the first time. How much power will it produce? How high RPM can it pull off? Will it start at all? Will it start and then explode? Who knows? So many questions. Complete failure. It won't start. I'm not sure what's the problem. I tried to switch out the plug, didn't help. It could be the new ignition because I haven't tested it before, so maybe it's faulty, who knows. There seems to be a slight leak at the carb spigot. That could be the reason it won't start. Usually you can start a bike with a slight leak at the intake, but could be the rotary valve timing is off. Maybe I screwed up when I adjusted it. Could be ignition timing is off. Could have screwed up there too. So I'll just have to run down the list and check everything and see if I can find something that doesn't check out. And next time will be a dyno session. Next time it will start, and next time we will do a dyno session and we will produce insane power. Thanks for watching.